Hey everybody, welcome to this A1 English listening practice video. You can use this video to practice your listening and comprehension skills as I speak. Are you ready? Today we're going to talk about my family. I live with my family in a cozy house in the suburbs. My family is very important to me, and I want to introduce them to you. First, there's my dad. His name is John. He's tall and has brown hair. He works as an engineer and loves to build things. In his free time, he enjoys gardening and playing the guitar. He's very good at fixing things around the house, and he's always there to help me with my homework. Next, there's my mom. Her name is Mary. She's kind and has blonde hair. She works as a teacher at a local school. My mom loves to read books and cook delicious meals for us. She makes the best spaghetti in the world. She also loves to spend time with us, playing board games or watching movies. I have a younger sister named Emily. She's 7 years old and has curly brown hair. Emily is very energetic and loves to play outside. She enjoys riding her bike and playing with her dolls. We often play together in the backyard, and sometimes we argue, but we always make up quickly. My grandparents also live with us. My grandfather's name is George. He's retired now but used to be a doctor. He tells us many interesting stories about his work and life. He loves to read newspapers and take long walks in the park. My grandmother's name is Helen. She's very sweet and loves to bake cookies. Every Sunday we bake cookies together, and it's one of my favorite activities. She also enjoys knitting and has made many beautiful sweaters for us. We have a pet dog named Max. He's a golden retriever and is very friendly. Max loves to play fetch and go for walks with us. He's always excited to see us when we come home and wags his tail happily. He's a big part of our family and brings us a lot of joy. During the weekends, we like to spend time together doing various activities. Sometimes, we go for a picnic in the park. We pack some sandwiches, fruits, and drinks and enjoy our meal under the trees. Other times, we visit the local zoo or go to the beach. We love to swim and build sandcastles. My dad and I often play beach volleyball while my mom and sister collect seashells. On special occasions like birthdays and holidays, we have big family gatherings. Our relatives come over, and we have a big feast. My mom and grandmother prepare a lot of delicious dishes, and we all sit together at the dining table, enjoying the food and each other's company. After dinner, we play games, sing songs, and sometimes even dance. These gatherings are always full of laughter and happy memories. Every evening, we have dinner together as a family. It's a special time when we talk about our day and share stories. After dinner, we often watch TV or play a board game. Before going to bed, my mom reads a bedtime story to Emily, and sometimes I listen too. It's a nice way to end the day. I love my family very much. They are always there for me, supporting me and making me feel loved. Spending time with them makes me very happy. I hope you enjoyed learning about my family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more English listening practice videos. See you next time.